but the area is under the command area of Tillari irrigation project.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar for Prudent Media.
Babush Monserrat and Vishwajit Rane are pressurized by other 5 MLAs in group of 7 not to join Congress. As per the sources, MGP and NCP MLAs are pursuing both these ministers to stay away from Congress as they will lose their importance in the government if the group breaks.
NCP MGP MLAs are in touch with Vishwajit and Babush to try to convince them not to join Congress. Sources confirm that MGP NCP MLAs feel that if both Vishwajit and Babush join Congress, then they may lose their bargaining power in the government. This group of 7 MLAs was formed in January 2008 when second attempt to topple the government was made. The group consists of 2 MGP MLAs, 3 NCP MLAs and 1 independent MLA and 1 unattached MLA. Sources have confirmed that several rounds of meeting are taking place to discuss the issue. Sources have also confirmed that yesterday all 7 members met each other. Prudent has also learned that both Vishwajit and Babush are still firm on decision of joining Congress. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane and Education Minister Babush Monserrat have already shown their willingness to join Congress. Babush even went to Delhi to meet Congress President Sonia Gandhi in this regard. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar has already confirmed to Prudent Media that Babush and Vishwajit have shown their willingness to join Congress. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. After the break, watch Tony Dias to stage a drama on Mahanan Naik, a special series on tracking monsoon. Stay with us. Welcome back. Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik has decided to meet Union Commerce Minister Anand Sharma on SEZ issue. Confusion has begun after the ministry extended time to SEZ developers in Goa for completion of their work. Shantaram Naik has decided to meet Commerce Minister to put a full stop to this SEZ saga and end the confusion.
31st December 2007, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath-led government scrapped SEZ in Goa after public protest. But 3 notified SEZs have maintained status quo. The then Union Commerce Minister Kamal Nath had assured Goans that their wishes would be kept in mind before deciding on any SEZs in Goa. 1.5 years later, these 3 SEZs have remained without being denotified. Now this ministry is in hands of Anand Sharma. The decision of Union Commerce Ministry to extend time to Rahejas, the SEZ developers in Goa, for their work has worried Goan leaders. Shantaram Naik has left for New Delhi for Parliament session. In Delhi, he has decided to meet Anand Sharma. In the meeting, Naik would give detail to Sharma that his predecessor Kamal Nath had expressed his intention to denotify these SEZs. Now as Sharma heads this ministry, his work of denotification needs to be completed.
सध्या ह्या बोर्ड ऑफ फंड किती डिसिजन घेतला आमकां खबर ना, बट वील परस्यू इट. I will personally approach the Commerce Minister, Sri Anand Sharma, and explain to him. म्हणटकीच आमी तो सिरियसली घेतले. आजच आमी चीफ सेक्रेटरी कडेन ह्या संबंधी उलयला आनी इतर अधिकाऱ्यां कडेन उलयला ह्या संबंधी, and we will take up the action.
Naik added that Chief Minister Digambar Kamath is also likely to take this issue with Commerce Ministry in coming days.
म्हाका दिसता चीफ मिनिस्टर स्वता दिल्ली येतलो ह्या संबंधान. म्हाका दुबाव ना की चीफ मिनिस्टर स्वता येतलो, कित्याक आमकां वचूंकच जाय इन डेलिगेशन टू ब्रीफ द न्यू मिनिस्टर. हांव वतलें कित्याक आतां हांव पार्लमेंट सेशनाक वता म्हणटकीच हांव बेगीन मेळटलें ताका. बट अल्टिमेटली ए डेलिगेशन वील अगेन गो लेड बाय चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑब्वियसली.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Yashwant Parab.
After rocking Goa through his inhuman act, Mahanan Naik is all set to rock the theatre stage. Don't get surprised, Mahanan is still in jail. But Tony Dias, a theatrist from Margao, is coming out with a theatre on Mahanan. It will be titled as Mahanan, Hoek Muni's Kaidyansar.
Tony Dias from Margao has plans of presenting a theatre based on the dirty tricks of murdering innocent girls by the deadly dupatta killer. His theme is Mahanan Naik, Hoek Muni's Kaidyansar.
He says he wants to pass a message to Mahanan Naik that he has spoiled the beautiful name of Goa by his acts. Tony Dias has produced and directed many theatres like Ti Moji Mai, Kor Moje Kalis Tuja Kalza Sarke, Arga Tuka Donia and many more. Tony Dias works in Canada and is in Goa for his vacation and plans to present his theatre on Mahanan Naik and his dirty acts.
हें कोत्तें गोंय आमकां लायक जायना तेका लागून हांवें चिंतलें हें करपाक जाय कांय नासलो तेन्ना तेजे न्यूजा जायते एड येयले आनी चोयले हांव फ्री टायमार चोयले हांव ह्या वर्सा तियात्र काडपाक आसोना हांवें चिंतलें काडया म्हूण कित्या लागून हो मोहन नायक हो मनीस आमकां बरो दी म्हूण हांव तुका म्हणचे तेजे वयल्यान म्हाका जायत बरें दिसना हें करप म्हणजे आमगे गोंया ब्युटिफूल गोंया हो आमचें पाड कोत्ता मनीस आनी हेजे मुखार बरे त्रास जातले म्हूण तेज्या पयलीं हांवें करपाक चिंतिना.
A reporter in Margao, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Monsoon has finally advanced in peninsular India after a gap of 8 days. Monsoon by Wednesday had crossed Siddhapur, Udupi, Bangalore and other regions of southern interior Karnataka.
For more than 8 days, monsoon advancement in peninsular India was halted due to cyclone Aila that had hit Bengal last week. On 23rd May, monsoon arrived in Kerala 8 days before the regular date of 1st June. By 25th, monsoon reached Bangalore, but later it didn't move further after cyclone Aila hit Bengal. But the good news finally came on Wednesday when monsoon started advancing further. Monsoon crossed Udupi and Siddhapur and came closer to Karwar. Besides coastal Karnataka, monsoon also crossed Bangalore, Rayalaseema and coastal districts of Andhra Pradesh. Now satellite images clearly shows development of low pressure area over Bay of Bengal. This low pressure area can further lead to progress of monsoon into west coast and east India. In Goa, however, pre-monsoon showers were once again felt on Wednesday in some villages and towns. The local meteorological department in Panji has predicted cloudy sky with possibilities of rain and thunderstorm for 4th and 5th June in the state. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar.
Let's take a short break. In our next segment, watch highlights from Aliens basketball tournament and smallest bike in the state. Stay tuned.